Why in the world are we risking our lives to ride a motorcycle through Vietnam? Is it the intense speed of traffic? This kind of traffic? And this? And this? And this kind of traffic everyone else is stuck in? Or is it the back alley, the foot trail, the narrow bridge that connects the country to a place no car can go? It could be the roadside coconut with a stunning view, but definitely not heat exhaustion on the side of the road. A motorcycle can get you to sunrises like this and sunsets like that. Vietnam begs for you to hop on two wheels and become one with the millions of other motorbikes pulsing through the heartbeat of this beautiful country. So what does all this freedom cost? Why do we do it this way? Let's see where the money went.
Okay, the craziest of the crazy thing is that we've got this awesome idea that we want to spend the next 3 to 6 months.
6 months.
6 months riding across Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia on a motorbike that we had to purchase because we can't rent one because you can't rent and drive out of the country.
And we've crunched all the numbers, and the best thing to do is to buy and then resell.
Yeah, buy, resell,
And then we
buy,
pay a lot
outfit, and resell.
and we pay a lot less than we would have if we would rented. I have a Magic 8 Ball app, and we're gonna Magic 8 Ball whether we buy a bike here in Kento or we just fly to Hanoi and buy a bike there that's less expensive, but we still have to fly there.
Yeah.
Okay. So the question I posit is, should we buy the bike in Kento? Are you thinking about it? Shaking it, shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. Most likely. If you're gonna do this whole thing, start in Hanoi. But we're not in Hanoi, so we're not starting there. So we're starting here, and this is what's happening.
I have a good vibe at that first
I have
place.
a great vibe.
Yeah, I do too. Hello, Xin Chao. Do you have Honda Winner for sale? How are you?
What?
Good.
Good.
Honda Winner.
Yeah.
Lots of bikes. Lots of cars.
Mr. Hill.
Mr. Hugh, nice to meet you. Thank you for your help. Well, we have too much luggage. We need Givi box.
So ask him, when we get back here, will they buy it back?
If you don't use it anymore, just bring it back and I'll buy it again. Thank you, Aunt. Thank you very much, brother.
Here we are at the bike shop trying to figure out our bike, which one we're gonna buy. So it could be this one. This could be Curtis. There's one, we thought it was gonna be this one, but it's not ready to go. But I love that how they have to translate everything together just to have a conversation. It's fantastic. Okay, I'm feeling this is it. I'm feeling this is Curtis. I feel it.
I love it.
I knew it.
I love it.
I knew you did. I felt it.
1, 3, 0, 2.
I can't believe all this hasn't been on film. Are we crazy?
Yes, we're crazy, but we love it, and it's so cushy. The seat was so comfortable.
I'm so glad because you don't have a whole lot of butt space up there.
It's okay. I'll just push next to you. We just bought Curtis.
Hello. Oh, hello. Hi. We just bought it. Yeah. In your eyes, the light, the heat.
I am complete.
Will not complete until. So we have this, which I believe are the side racks. It'll go 1, 2.
Yeah.
And we have this, which I believe
It's
is a back rack with a backrest and the LEDs for extra brake lights, which will go here like this.
What the happiness?
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
I'm so excited to get Curtis some purses.
Purses?
Yeah, she needs a purse rack. She needs to have purses, and she doesn't have all that kind of stuff. I know that's not very manly, but she's a girl.
Okay, so we're in Canton, about to get Curtis outfitted with purses, as Heather calls them, luggage racks, if you're a bike traveler, which is something that we've done, but not like on anything like this scale. So, let's see how it goes.
Where are you going?
Going to this back alley place where they're fixing Curtis.
Yeah.
They're giving her the purses. Oh wow. That you said you wanted.
Curtis has purses.
So our bike is getting loaded with all the gear that she's gonna need for the year that we're gonna have. Just want to say it's 94 degrees and we're inside a garage that is non-air conditioned because air conditioning is not a premium. It's hot, but it feels so good, but it's hot. I think my body has discovered pores that it never knew it had before.
Divorce.
Mm-hmm.
Rồi, ra trước tính tiền.
Thank you. I feel like a bowling ball.
We're trying on helmets for this long journey.
Maybe a little tighter. That's crazy. It's almost like a football helmet. You want it so tight it hurts. Because it's gonna be.
Right, and we will go down a lot of bumpy roads.
Trying out helmets in the motorcycle shop. Sitting on a bench, pretending. It's good. It's also light. You're right. It's light. It's not heavy.
Yeah.
And then we put it up. No, put the, yeah. Do you feel like you?
I mean, I'm gonna bonk into your head.
Ouch. Oh my gosh, we just got helmets.
I feel like a stormtrooper. Oh my god. We got helmets. Mwah. Mwah. Woo. I have it. Oh, yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay.
This is awesome.
All right.
My eyes are protected.
Chill.
Chalo.
Nice. Wow.
Holy crap.
You love it?
I love it.
Oh.
Damn. Yes. Oh my god, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at this. She's beautiful. Dab. Oh my god, mother. Thank you. Look at this. What's happening?
Well, hello. Today we are leaving on kilometer zero, our trip that we have reduced the amount of luggage to this box, which is a back box, and 2 side boxes.
And that box.
The max load on this is 12 pounds.
Is it really?
8 pounds.
Or no, wait.
8 pounds.
For real?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Carito, what the?
Okay, that's not my fault. So let's.
Are you serious?
What? Okay. All right. Let's just. Okay. You ready?
I think it's gonna be under.
17.15.
Oh, that's just over by a smidge.
Okay. 8.6.
Oh, yay. Yay, us. I'm so proud of us.
9.2.
Is it okay that they're different sizes? Is it gonna be, I need to lean to one side?
No, because my left butt cheek's bigger than my right butt cheek, so it'll balance out.
Oh, okay.
And last but not least, so we need to add on to that because this is going to go on top of that, and this is where we risk structural integrity.
You are freaking me out.
The crazy thing is we reduced so much.
Yeah, we're out of luggage. Now we're living off of motorcycle boxes. 13. It's not as bad as I thought. Woo! We got this. Yeah.
Not to me. Like, this is a big deal. I'm a little scared. I'm not scared. I mean, he will get us there safely. He is a superhero. He is my superhero. Nobody else can have him. Y'all can't have him. He's all mine. And he's gonna get us there safely. Look, he's even gotten me a butt pad so that my back doesn't hurt because I have a bad back. He's thought of everything. We're gonna make it. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be amazing. And y'all are gonna be there to witness it.
Check this out.
What's he gonna bring out now? I don't know. Oh, our side bags. It's our new luggage. Anybody who knows us, we got a luggage problem. Always.
Because we're nomads. And like literally, our clothes are starting to disintegrate.
They are.
It's just.
Our clothes are starting to disintegrate.
I'm at kilometer 0.
Kilometer 0. Here we go. This cowito. Setting us up. Oh my god. What?
It's so tall.
I mean, at least if I need to lean my head against it, we're good.
No, don't lean your head against it. Cause the whole thing to come off.
No.
Okay, so here's the situation. Kilometer 0.
Kilometer 0.
It is sweat that you probably can't see because I can't see it on the camera. Man, I feel it. Do you feel it? Oh, I see it on you. That was just to get our luggage
I don't
on
know if you can see this.
Curtis.
That we have on Curtis.
This is us special. It's like, okay, what?
He's laughing.
Laughing?
I'm laughing because this is how we roll.
Yeah?
It's how we slow roll through the world.
We're gonna slow roll into Saigon.
We're gonna be safe.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
Let's check out the odometer. So this is very important. Right here we see that we're starting at 13,094 kilometers. We'll call this kilometer 0.
Here we go.
Let me see. Mwah.
Mwah. Choi oi! We got this.
We got this.
Oh my god. How you feeling?
Feel like we're driving into Saigon and we're 4 hours late. And it's gonna take us 4 hours longer than the typical people.
Yes, it will.
We got this.
Oh my god.
We got water.
Do you realize that the back bags are almost as tall as your helmet?
We got electrolytes.
Yay!
All right, Curtis.
Boxes,
Come
you
on.
got this. Everything, you got this. You got this. We're ready.
Oh, she's ready. She just wants to. Oh my God, Choi. What the?
In 200 meters, turn right.
We're just gonna have to go slow. I don't know if it's doable, my love.
Really?
Yeah.